Alright guys, for today's video, magloading ta karon og isa ka 6-wheeler forward truck. Ang ikarga nato kay flooring materials bound from Davao to El Salvador, Cagayan de Oro City. Let's go! Basig na aday mo laing requirements diha, naga-tracking po ta og 6-wheeler o 10-wheeler wing van drop side. Naasad ta self-loading for towing or low bed for heavier equipment units. Napod ta boom trucks ranging from 3-tonner up until 10-tonner boom. Naasad ta 12-tonner crane and up until 200-tonner crane. Rough terrain or crawler crane. Pati hydraulic hammer naapod ta. Forklift 3-tonner, 5-tonner o 12-tonner naapod ta. Manlift naapod ta. Nagabaligya pod ta genset from 25 kVA to 1500 kVA depende sa inyong requirement. Nagaparenta sa da genset pero depende sa availability. Salamat. God bless.
Bringing only good vibes.